Hello, I'm Sky, the man who films UFOs. We are going to watch today one white flying object passing next to the airplane. Please stay tuned and enjoy wonderful flying object. The filming date is 18th of March in 2020. The location is Seoul. The time is 14:29 p.m. If you had fun, please subscribe and put notification setting. Are you ready? Then let's go. Welcome to LooK Sky channel. Here is Seoul in Korea. I show one white spear flying object passing over the FedEx cargo airplane. When I was filming it, I didn't see it. It was far away and small and fast. I recommend to watch this footage with a TV or a PC monitor. Are you ready? Then let's go. It has passed. Did you see it? It's really small and fast. Let's check it again. Did the pilot see the white flying object? I really wanna ask it to them. And the potential altitude is about between 10,000 feet and 20,000 feet. What do you think of it? Please leave your comment. This is it for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like, and put notification setting. Bye bye, see you next time.